guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do this very viral makeup. This is a character known as Bayonetta. It's a game character. I'm not so sure about this. I've seen a lot of people doing this makeup, so let's do it on brown skin and see if it looks the same like it looks on other people. So let's do it. Before I begin, let me tell you that all the products I am using would be linked down in the description below, so you can get all the information from there. So first I'm gonna moisturize my face. I'm gonna use Dot and Key moisturizer, vitamin C moisturizer, really hydrating for my face. So after using the moisturizer, you can see it makes my face so glowy and hydrating. So now I'm gonna use concealer. I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer because I love Swiss Beauty and this is really good. And also if you want to use foundation, you can use it. I am just going with a concealer. Electric hearts glowing so bright. So Bayonetta has a very chiseled face and I have a round face, so I'm gonna try to make it as chiseled as possible. Electric hearts glowing so bright. Also, the concealer shade might be a bit lighter for me, but I don't have any other concealer at the moment, so I'm gonna use this. So after applying foundation or concealer, this is what it would look like. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, because if you see the reference picture, she has a very straight eyebrows and something like this. So I'm gonna try to make it look like that. And no, I'm not gonna shave my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use this Fairy Stick. Now I'm gonna add the same concealer on the eyebrows where I applied the Fairy Stick. Streets are buzzing loud, voices lost inside the crowd. Let's blend it out. City streets are buzzing loud, voices lost. Can you tell I had an eyebrow on that side? No, it's gone. So now I'm using this Sanfe eyebrow pencil, eyebrow liner, and like this. It has this 3 line. We can't hide, we're unstoppable tonight. Electric hearts beating in sync. Okay, let's trust the process. So now let's do contour and blush and make my face look smaller and make it look like that I have a jawline, which I don't actually, but let's do it. For contouring, let me be honest, I don't have a contour stick. I use this Maybelline serum lipstick, which is a perfect shade for a contour. That's how you save money actually. This is how you do makeup when you are broke. Look at that and tell me that it doesn't look like the perfect contour shade. I'm gonna use it on my nose. The brand new start, pulses pounding, electric spark. Can you feel it deep inside? The rhythm we can't hide. We're unstoppable tonight. Electric hearts beating in sync, dancing so close. So this is what it should look like. Let me blend it out real quick. One spark, one flash, reignite. Electric hearts glowing so bright. Electric hearts. Now tell me, isn't this the perfect contouring idea using a lipstick? I'm gonna give some dimension, I guess, if you know what I mean. Skies light up the night, hearts are racing like a firelight. Every step feels like a brand new start, pulses pounding, electric spark. Now it's time for blush. So this is the blush I'm gonna use. This is Nykaa Blurring Pot. This is like a new thing they launched and I love it. It's really soft and the color pigment is really good. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. And a little goes a long way, so I'm gonna take a little bit. And a little goes a long way, so I'm gonna take a little bit. The rhythm we can't hide, we're unstoppable tonight. Electric hearts beating in sync, dancing so close. So I applied a bit more contour and this is what it looks like. So now it's time for the eyes, and she has a really bold eye look. So let's try it out because I'm not sure if I can pull it off, but I'm gonna try. So first I'm gonna do the eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I'm gonna use this paint. I've got it from Amazon. So So for that, I'm gonna use this color. Hearts are racing like a firelight. Every step feels like a brand new start. Pulses pounding, electric spark. Can you feel it deep inside? The rhythm we can't hide. We're unstoppable tonight. Okay, now I'm gonna apply a little darker on the outer corner of the eye. Electric hearts beating in sync, dancing so close on the brink. One spark, one flash, we ignite. Electric hearts glowing so bright. So now I'm gonna use this highlighter palette from Sugar, and yes, I'm gonna give it on the inner corner of my eyes. So close on the brink. One spark, one flash, we ignite. Electric hearts glowing so bright. A bit of on the nose. Now I'm gonna apply Kajal all over my eyes and under my eyes as well. And I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Kajal, and this is one of the best Kajal that I have ever used, because trust me, this is so good that you need to try it out. It's not a paid promotion or anything. It also comes with a sharpener, so you need to sharpen it up. Okay, look how much difference does that make. Oh my god, I can see a difference from here. So after Kajal, I'm gonna apply a bit of red underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna use the same palette for that. I'm gonna use the red color. Hearts are racing like a firelight. Every step feels like a brand new start. Pulses pounding, electric spark. Can you feel it deep inside? The rhythm we can't hide. Now it's time for the lips, finally. So I don't think I have the similar color of lipstick, so I'm gonna use the same palette, and yeah, this color I meant. This looks a little light on the camera, but it's not. Your smile cuts through the haze like lightning in a stormy maze. Can you feel it deep inside? The rhythm we can't hide. We're unstoppable tonight. So yeah, it's done. Now it's time for hair change and clothes change. Let's do it. Electric hearts glowing so bright. And that's it for the video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and like this video, share with your friends, and also let me know which other character should I do next.